So we're at Eindhoven Airport. Where are we going?
Hungary! And if there isn't any coffee, then I'm gonna be the worst girlfriend in the world.
This is all true. She had to take her shoes off for the customs. You okay there, sweetie? Well, that's our cue.
Yo! Yo.
So we have now arrived in Cheers, Hungary. And we're here for the in-laws, so we're celebrating Christmas here. And Hungarians know how to celebrate Christmas. A lot of food. Alright, so that was day one, and this is day two, and today we're going to Vienna, so I guess I should get out of bed. Yeah. And we're in Vienna, and that's the Stephenstone. Yes, but so for 3 years now, yeah, we've been getting our picture taken here during Christmas.
Truffle, that's the luxury one.
We go for the truffle. And you?
Liver cheese? What would be the English title of this? Liver cheese?
Liver cheese, yeah, it's from liver and stuff.
Liver cheese then. It's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, thanks. Alright. That's good. That's good. I'm bold.
Actually, it is 10 degrees.
Oh.
10 degrees.
The wind is cold. It's the wind. No hair.
Yeah, look at my hair. It's so windy. Oh, that's crazy. Oh no. Bart is a tiny little fragile snowflake. Mwah!
egészségedre.
Egészséget.
This is a memorial for Mozart. Vienna fact for you. So we're now at probably the best lit building of Vienna, the opera. So, where are we at?
Figels.
Why are we here?
Because we are having the best Wiener Schnitzel of Vienna. And of the world, actually.
Back in gear. Finish Vienna. Time to go to bed. Okay, time for day 3. We're going downtown Győr and just have a chill day. Alright, made it to downtown Győr. Cannons, church, statue. We might have seen this coming, but basically everything's closed. And we are in desperate need of coffee.
Yeah, we will find coffee, just for the record.
The place is utterly deserted. Nothing. And it's the 24th, mind you, so it's not even Christmas. Push! Push! Damn it! When in doubt about coffee, there's always the big M. And it's closed. How can the McDonald's be closed? What the hell? Okay, we have accepted our defeat. We're going home to get coffee there.
It's gonna be awesome.
I guess we all have our Christmas traditions. Apparently fun is to run. I'll have none of that.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all
So
about?
you know I'm Dutch, so if I see a dike, like that one, I figure where's the water? And since Funny's running, I thought, might as well find out.
Chestnuts roasting.
What an adventure!
Frost nipping at your nose.
Did you notice I haven't had any coffee yet? I noticed.
So
I noticed.
offering a simple phrase.
Okay. Mission success. Now to get back.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
And So we have finished our Hungarian Christmases. All that's left is go back home.
at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
Okay, so we survived the ordeal at the customs. It's one day they'll make those people friendly, but not today. I love flying, but I hate airports.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That's it for us. Say goodbye to Hungary. Bye bye. Well, thanks for joining in.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.